Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Friday. You've worked really hard this week in your maths and across your other subjects, so well done. Today in maths we're going to be having a look at ordering fractions, decimals and percentages. But before we do that, let's have a look at our morning task. 3 questions, pause the video, answer them and let's go through them. Off you go. Okay, so let's have a look at our first question. We have got 234 and we are multiplying it by 4.5. Okay, right, so we should have got the answer of 1053, so well done if you got that. Let's have a look how we got there. So I'm going to put a decimal point in when I'm multiplying by my decimal here, because as you can see in our digit, our number that we are multiplying by, we have got 1 and we've got a tenth. So I'm going to put a decimal point in to represent my tenths. So 4 times 5 is 20, so I'm going to put my 0 down and I'm going to carry my 2 over. 5 times 3 is 15, add 2 is 17. Okay, carry my 1. 5 times 2 is 10, add 1 is 11. So my answer should be 117. I'm going to come to my 1 now, but again I'm going to put another decimal point in just so we can make sure we're lining up our columns. I've got no value for my decimal point though, I've got no value in my tenths, so I'm just going to put a place value holder of 0. 4 times 4 is 16, so put my 6 down, carry my 1 over. 4 times 3 is 12, add 1 is 13, put my 3 down, carry my 1. 4 times 2 is 8, add 1 is 9. Let's have a look. 0 add 0 is 0. 7 add 6 is 13. Put my decimal point in, carry my 1. 1 add 3 is 4, add 1 is 5. 9 add 1 is 10, so my answer is 1053. Well done. Right, I'm just going to rub that out because it's going on to my next question. Right, let's have a look. Our next question, we have got 8 15ths and we are subtracting 2 fifths. So remember, when we're subtracting, we need to make the denominators the same. Okay, they need to have a common denominator. So we need to find a common multiple of 15 and 5. And I know that 15 is in the 15 times table. And I also know that 15 is in the 5 times table. I times 5 by 3 to get there. So I'm going to keep my 8 15ths the same. And I'm going to multiply my last fraction by 3. 5 times 3 is 15. And whatever I do to my denominator, I must do to my numerator. 2 times 3 is 6. So my answer should be 2 15ths. And we can't simplify that because I cannot find a common factor of 15 or of 2. So we can't simplify it. Right, our last one. Insert a pair of brackets to make the statement true. So we're looking at our BODMAS again. So we've got 120, take away 48 divided by 8 is 114. So I need a value, I need this to make a value of 6 before I subtract it. So let's do our BODMAS up here. I know that 48 divided by 8 is 6 and I need to do that operation first. So how I'm going to do that, I'm going to put brackets round it to make the statement true. Let's just do it quickly. Brackets first, which is 6, don't have any order, I've done my division because we've done the brackets, don't have any multiplication, don't have any addition. 120 take away 6 is 114. So that's what we should have got. Fantastic, boys and girls. Right, move on to the next slide and let's get on with our learning for today. So, your task. You're going to find your video on the links page. You're going to watch the video explaining how to order fractions, decimals and percentages. Once you've done that, can you turn to page 58 in your White Rose booklet? Have a go at the questions, mark them and then submit your answers to your teachers. Well done, boys and girls, and have a lovely weekend.